In this video, I'm going to show you how to open piano roll in Reaper. Now, the first way to do this is to create a MIDI item. So you want to go and either hold down your control key on your keyboard and you want to click and drag, and it's going to create a MIDI item like this. Then you can double click on it like that. And as you can see, there we go. It's going to open up the piano roll directly over here. Okay. You can then make it bigger if you want to, etc. That's the first way. You could also go, and if that doesn't work, you can just go to insert up top and then click on a new MIDI item, and it's going to pop it in where your playhead is right now. Double click and it's going to open it up again. Or you could just use MIDI you already have, double click it, and it's going to open up this piano roll like this. Okay, so whenever you've done this, you can of course go and edit it. So if I extend this, I'm going to double click, and then here I do have my piano roll over here, and I can go and start using it. Okay, now of course if you want it to be bigger, again you want to kind of make it down like this to make it a bit bigger, and that's it. Now you could also go and click on any MIDI, and you could press the E button on your keyboard, and that's going to allow you to use the inline editor as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.